cannot eat this. Today I saw a girl who did not have any food. I'm going to the market. I won't be long.
It is late. I must go look for Saksham. I am afraid he has been kidnapped. Where could he be? Are you okay?
I'm fine.
At least I have the protection of the gods. My brother, he only believes in one god, so he does not have as much protection as I do. I must pray to my gods to save me. There is a shack. I can hide in there. I think it is safe to go outside now. I hope Saksham is still alive. Saksham, wake up.
Ajaya! Do not worry, my brother. Last night I came upon the dogs. They were near that shack. They saw me and turned their attention to me. I was not afraid. I prayed to Jesus to protect me. Instead of attacking me, they surrounded me and grew still. Later I became cold, and they laid down on me to keep me warm. Isn't Jesus wonderful?
This Jesus must be a powerful God. Come, my brother, let us go to our family. You must tell them more about this powerful God, Jesus.
Thanks for watching our video. Please like and subscribe.